Wait, did you know one man's diet made him almost unstoppable? Alexander the Great, the king who conquered the known world. And what he ate will absolutely shock you. Today we are breaking it all down, scientifically. And here's the crazy part. His meals boosted his strength, his stamina, and even his brain power. Alexander lived over 2,300 years ago, but his secrets still work today. Let's start with breakfast. Barley porridge, honey, and fresh fruits. Honey gave him instant energy, barley gave long-lasting fuel, fruits protected his cells with antioxidants, every bite prepared him for battles and long days of travel. Lunch, meat from goats, lamb, or chicken. Protein repaired his muscles after training and fights. Iron strengthened his blood. Strong blood means more oxygen for his body. Dinner was fish, grains, and olives. Omega-3 fatty acids fired up his brain. Fiber helped digestion and kept him energized. Snacks included dates and dried fruits, packed with energy to last hours on horseback. His diet was high in protein and healthy fats. Muscles grew stronger. Energy stayed high. Focus stayed sharp. Modern science confirms this. This diet supports strength, endurance, and longevity. But that's not all. Alexander often fasted before battles. Fasting triggered autophagy. His cells cleaned themselves. Energy efficiency skyrocketed. Focus sharpened. Imagine fighting for 10 hours straight and still staying sharp. His warriors copied him. They were fueled by the same foods and the same routines. They became unstoppable too. Now let's talk about why this diet works so well. Protein repaired muscles. Healthy fats protected the heart and brain. Carbs from grains and fruits gave sustained energy. Honey acted as a quick fuel for immediate power. Antioxidants in fruits and vegetables protected cells from damage. Iron in meat supported strong blood. Omega-3s in fish supported memory and decision-making. Every food had a purpose. Every meal was optimized for performance. We may not conquer kingdoms, but we can eat like Alexander. Boost our bodies, sharpen our minds. Start with barley or oats for breakfast, protein-rich lunch. Fish and healthy fats for dinner. Add fruits and honey for energy. Balance equals strength, speed, and focus. Small changes make a huge difference. Alexander's food wasn't magic, it was smart. Science-backed nutrition. Your body reacts the same way today. Eat like him, train your body, be unstoppable. And here's a secret most people don't know. His diet wasn't just about food, timing mattered. Fasting before battles, strategic meals after. Hydration, natural supplements like honey and olives. Everything was planned to give maximum results. He wasn't just a king, he was a master of his body, and that's exactly why history remembers him as one of the greatest warriors of all time. Subscribe now for more mind-blowing diets of famous legends. Next video, the secret diet of Cleopatra that kept her youthful. Hit the bell, you won't want to miss it.